Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to create a column chart by selecting the data through list box. As part of this, first I am inserting the list box. Click on Developer tab, click on Insert, select the list box. If you click on that list box, application returns the name. It is named as listbox1. As this is ActiveX control, it consists of the properties. Next, click on Create Chart. Here we can find application created the chart by inserting the year numbers into the list box. In this workbook, we can find the tab which is named as Data. This tab consists of charts data. First column consists of fruits. From the second column onwards, we can find the year numbers. So I inserted these year numbers into the list box. In this chart, all the points consist of unique color except the point which consists of max value. Here we can find in that series max value is 20. Hence it is colored with yellow. Right now I am going to select the data in the list box. Now I am selecting 2017. Here we can find chart refreshed with the underlying data and also provided yellow color to the max value. Next I am selecting 2020, 2016, 2018, 2015. Now let us check the coding part. Click on Visual Basic. In module 1 we can find the code. This is complete code. First I disabled the events. Thereafter I created a variable for the worksheet of data. Next I deleted the existing chart object. Next instructed the application to wait for a second. Thereafter, I created the names to the data. I will explain about this piece of code at the end of this program. Here I mentioned sheet1 dot listbox1. Cleared the existing data from the list box. Next added the items to the list box. Changed the forecolor. Changed the back color, provided the font name, increased the font size, mentioned the font as bold. Thereafter, I created a chart object. Next, I defined the range to the chart object. Next, added the chart object based on the defined range. Provided the name to the chart, mentioned the chart type, Excel column clustered, created the new series, defined the series collection 1, provided the X values, provided the Y values to the chart. Range of 1 means I provided the name for the year of 2015 as 1. Deleted the legend. Provided the name to the series collection. Changed the points interior color by using color index property. All these are termed as points. Removed the grid lines. Provided the data labels. After that, identified the max value by using large function from the range 1. This large function consists of two functional arguments. First one is array and second one is large number. So I want to find first large number, hence I mentioned as 1. Next I am looping all the points. If the point value equivalent to max value, then I am changing the color of that point into yellow. After that I mentioned exit from the loop. At the end I have enabled the events. Application executes that program when the user click on create chart button. Now let us check the code for list box change event. Click on Visual Basic. In sheet 1 we can find object is list box 1. From the available events I have selected change event. First I have identified the year number based on the selection of list box. After that I assigned the range names to the identified year. Next identified the max value. Next declared the series collection from the chart object. Provided the color to all the points of the series collection. Thereafter I am looping all the points. Assigned yellow color to the point which consists of max value. Enabled the labels. So this is the brief explanation about the coding of change event. Now let us check about this piece of code. Time being I converted into comment mode. Click on create chart. Here application returned error. Click on debug. The moment when we cleared the data from the list box, application moving into change event, even though we mentioned enable events equivalent to false at the top. Hence by using this variable I declared this variable as public. Here mentioned disable events failed equivalent to S. The moment when it entered into the change event, if disabled events equivalent to S, then go to exit program. Here we can find. For this purpose I wrote this piece of code. Now click on create chart button. Now everything is fine. In this way we can create the chart by using the list box. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.